welcome to my channel. I'm Des and we're at the Nelson Mandela Foundation. We've done a red bus tour. We've stopped here quickly and we thought it would be so cool to show you everything that's inside. So come with me and we'll have a look. This is Houghton style, by the way. Living the legacy. What do I do? Automated door, please buzz for access. Ah, there we go. Guys, so this is Nelson Mandela's personal office, like where he sat, and nothing has changed. So he was president until 1999, and then afterwards he started doing the foundation stuff, and this was his office for that. And nothing has changed. Like even the photos on the wall is still as it was when he was young. It's so cool. It's super cool. This is where he sat, guys. How cool. Notes by Nelson Mandela, that's so cool. Guys, look how cool, they've even got braille. Very considerate. This is South Africa. Guys, this is Nelson Mandela's Nobel Peace Prize. It's not this one. This one's a replica of it. The real one is kept in the vault downstairs, and we tried to get in there, but the person who's got the keys is not here. So this will have to do. Replica, it looks exactly the same. This is it. Choo! The South African flag was first flown at the inauguration of Utata Nelson Mandela as South Africa's first democratic president. The flag has come to represent the nation's dream of unity, peace, and nation building. This mini exhibition is a display of the gifts, photographs, and sayings of Madiba that speaks to this, the history and design of the flag, and the gratuitous displays of the apartheid flag. As future leaders of this country, your challenge is to foster a nation in which all people, irrespective of race, color, sex, religion, or creed, can assert social cohesion fully. Mindful of your own challenges, you must continue to promote the principle of relentless freedom and democracy, as it is the foundation upon which issues of human rights are ingrained. Nelson Mandela video message for the National Youth Festival South Africa, June 2008. What am I looking at? Shit. Oh, shit. I mean, not shit. It came out. Okay. Where did it come out from? Oh, there. Okay. Oh, there we go. What am I looking at? Okay, guys, we are walking now from the foundation to the sanctuary, Mandela Sanctuary. This is one of Nelson Mandela's houses that he used to stay in, and after he stayed there, he had moved, and the house wasn't being looked after by anyone, so it kind of like got dilapidated. Is that the right word? I don't know. Like, no one was maintaining it, no one was looking after it, no one was I'm tired now, I'm walking. Whew. No one, it wasn't being maintained, so kind of went like to ruins, I guess. I don't know, whatever, you know what I mean. And so the foundation then like fixed it up. The house now has like a modern part and the original part that they had fixed up and everything. So that's where he used to live, and there's a very cool restaurant that makes his meals, as I told him, that he used to love. Very cool. Democracy, peace, freedom. So I think this is the original house, and then they added this on extra. They added that extension. And probably that also, whatever's in red brick, I think is an extension. Guys, so this bench used to be under that tree, and he used to sit on the bench under the tree. That tree over there, let me show you. So this is a fever tree, and he planted this, well, not this one. He planted a fever tree, and he used to sit on that bench under the tree. And then because of the renovations, the tree that he planted didn't survive, so they had to get this one, but it's all symbolic of the tree that he planted, that he used to sit. He planted it himself, so he used to sit underneath it. That's quite cool. Fever tree. Guys, so this has now been turned into a hotel. There's rooms upstairs on the left. Look. And here's the restaurant. Guys, this is the Mandela Sanctuary. I hope you enjoyed the little tour. Give it a big thumbs up, because you know this deserves it. This is very South African. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell so that you can get notifications of the rest of the tours I'm doing on Johannesburg. See you soon. Bye.